Hello everybody. Today I'm going to do the bike check of my bike, the Giant Rain 1 2017. I've had this bike now for 1 year and 2 months, and during that whole period I've had very few mechanical issues, so overall it's a very reliable bike. So, I run my tyres tubeless, and on the back I've got the Maxxis DHR and on the front the Maxxis DHF. They are very good tyres and I've had no problems with them. They've also lasted over a year without getting too worn. I've got SRAM Guide RS brakes with 180mm at the back and 200mm at the front. They've been very good to me over the year I've had this bike, and I have no complaints. My frame is a Giant Alux SL fluid form aluminium frame with Maestro suspension and 160mm of travel. On the rear I've got RockShox Monarch Plus Debonair RC3 shock with 160mm of travel. And on the front, I've got the RockShox Lyric RC-T3 Solo Air 160mm of travel suspension, which does a very good job. I've got the 11x1 SRAM X1 gears, and I haven't had any issues with them since I bought the bike. Both my wheels are Giant TRX 1 27.5 carbon wheels. My crankset is the SRAM X1 32 tooth with a chain guard, which has saved my crankset many times over the years, and I've got a telescopic seat post. Finally, my bike weighs a total of 13.84 kilograms. Lastly, here is a full tour of the bike. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I bought the Rapid Racer Products mudguard, which matches the color of the bike perfectly, and yeah, it's been useful.
With their nails done now. Girls with their nails done.
That's the bike check done. Let's have a little ride. I think the girls with their nails done now.